Hanapin lang po natin ang Lazada application. Pag-open po, punta tayo sa account. Makikita natin yung payment options. Click lang natin. Tapos makita nyo dito yung inyong Gcash number. Sa may gilid po, meron tayo makita ang delete. Confirm nyo lang. After 2 minutes, ma-unlink na po yung inyong Gcash account. Ngayon, ituturo po natin ngayon ang pag-link ng Gcash through Lazada. Payment option ulit. Add card. Link and e-wallet. Tapos Gcash. Please take note of the following before you proceed. You have an activated Gcash account. Mention you are able to receive your OTP on your mobile and have your Gcash 4-digit PIN. You will be directed to Gcash website to complete the linking process. Link account. Now, please click po. Alabas po dito yung inyong mobile number. Tapos, click next. Enter your 6-digit authentication code. Send your registered mobile number. And click next. Enter your 4-digit MPIN. By linking Gcash, your account will be auto-debit for each of your purchase. Check box and click authorize. Online payment linking successful. Nalink na po ulit natin yung Gcash number nyo sa Lazada.